Hey YouTube, welcome back guys. So today I'm going to show you guys on how to delete your Google account and then to do a master reset. So for example, if you're gonna resell your old smartphone, you want to go ahead and do that so the new buyer will not have your old information, or he or she is not gonna have problem activating. So anyway, let's go ahead and show you guys real quick. You want to go ahead and click on the home button, and then you want to go to setting. You're going to go to general, and then over here you want to go click on the accounts. Right here you should have one or more than one account. If you have more than 2 or 3 email on the Gmail, whatever. So you click on that account, and then on the bottom right here, you should say remove account. So since I already removed mine already, so I'm just give you guys tutorials on how to do that. And if you have a PIN number, you will need to enter the 4-digit or depends pattern or PIN number that you set it up. At the beginning, it will ask you to verify your old PIN number. So let's go and then try to do the master reset. When you do that, you will wipe out everything on this phone, even your photo, your pictures, or your apps. So be sure you back up all those stuff, or else you're gonna lose everything. So go ahead and click on setting and click on general. You're gonna scroll all the way down, and you see the restart and then reset right here. You want to go ahead and click on that. So as you can see, there's a network setting reset app preference. We're gonna do the factory data reset. So with this one, you will wipe out everything back to factory setting, okay? So right here, it gives you the warning. This will delete all data from internal storage, including login data for Google and other accounts, system and app data and settings, all download apps, digital rights management, license, music images, documents, backups, or other user data. So go ahead and click on reset phone. So warning, this will delete everything. So if you have a PIN number lock, you're gonna go ahead and enter that in right now. So gonna click on enter, done. And it will give you a warning again. Delete all data and download apps with a question mark. This cannot be undone. So click on delete all. And then click on reset or cancel if you decide not to do that. So this will completely wipe out everything back to factory setting. Just like when you purchase a brand new phone at the beginning, you will wipe out everything back to that state. So this was the Moroccan blue color from AT&T prepaid service. So if you have a regular AT&T, you could also use this phone. So yeah. So yeah, anyway, this is how you reset your phone. So yeah, be sure to like the video and then subscribe if you haven't subscribed yet. Anyway, hopefully you guys like the video, and then be sure to hit that bell for notification or drop me in the comments on below. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Like always, peace.